guys, so I pre-ordered the S24 Ultra. So unboxing video. I'm definitely not a tech YouTuber, but I decided to show it to you guys anyway. My primary lane is cars, but it ought to be cool to show y'all the new phone, which is gonna take over my primary filming duty. I got lucky because I had my old S6 and Verizon gave me $800 for it to go towards this on the trade-in. Can't beat it. I got to keep my S21, so that will be my secondary camera. So now I can do I can do dual angles for recording. That should add another level to the channel. So let's get to it. I probably should have brought me a little knife in, but let's see if these old fingernails can cut it. Yep. Alright, I also want to note this is actually pretty heavy. It feels like it's about 2 pounds. My wife has a Z Fold 4 with a billfold on the back, so she can hold like 5 or 6 cards, and they same weight comparatively. So it's the back of the phone. I ordered the yellow color. I thought that would be cool. Yes, I bought a case for it. Okay, it's definitely made of something metal. It's actually pretty cold to the touch. Don't know what kind of metal, but it's cold to the touch. I'm gonna leave this screen protector on until I buy one. I just got an outside case, so looking around it, pretty square. I wonder what that is. There's probably some kind of indicator for something. S Pen is here, which is something new to my knowledge for the Ultras. Only the Notes got the S Pen, I believe, back in the day. I'm not a big S Pen guy or care to use it per se, but maybe I'll try and use it. I guess there's some kind of button for something. So let me see if I can power it on. Okay. I felt it vibrate. Okay, I got to take this off. Alright, so I'm pretty much gonna leave the phone there. I don't want to pull my SIM card and stuff out of this phone. It's late for me. It's only 15 minutes till, but I have to be up at 3:30 a.m. to get ready for work. So let's leave y'all with this. Give me a second. I'll run and get my case so y'all can see that. And I'll show what else is in the box here. As I don't believe anything else is behind this. Can't be, so my cord must be behind there. Alright, so this is the case I got. Just a cheap, simple case off Amazon to get me started. Has this little band for holding it like this. Has a kickstand. Pretty thin, kind of flimsy. about, I think it was about 20 bucks. So I didn't want to spend too much on the case just in case it didn't fit, but it seems it does fit pretty well. Well, no, as you see, it's supposed to be for a 24, but it doesn't fit. Those doesn't line up. Looked like it was gonna fit, but it truly doesn't.
To turn on accessibility mode, continue holding the screen with 2 fingers until you hear a beep.
I'm not trying to do that, but yeah, that just doesn't fit anyway. So again, another reason why I don't want to turn it on and carry the phone, I definitely don't want to damage it. Even though my current phone is clean, but that one went through a rough patch of damages. When I say I broke the screen about 6 times, felt like. Yeah, this just doesn't line up at all. So I'll be sending this case back probably tomorrow. While I'm at work, I may try and start to move things over to the phone, but I won't fully activate the phone. Probably wait till this weekend. But not further ado, let's check what else is in here. I hate that they don't give you any charging wall blocks anymore, because a good wall block is just as well needed as a good cord, because all blocks are not equal. So like typical USB to USB-C to USB-C, quick start, and then I got a little key in there so I can pop out a SIM card. Won't need to do that, so I put both of these back in. Probably end up using this cord for something else. I'll probably swap out cords. But that's all. That's it for the S24 Ultra that I recently got. I look forward to really look forward to filming with it, because my S21 does great for what I use it for, and this can only get better, which is why I chose this phone. Why I chose the Ultra in the get-go, my first Ultra, which is 21, and is why I subsequently chose this Ultra also, due to the camera being able to film with it. But it's definitely a heavy phone, even without all that. Thank y'all for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all in the next video.